Well, hi, I just wanted to take a minute and thank you for becoming a valued Juice Plus customer. Our family has enjoyed the benefits of fruits and vegetables going through our bodies on a daily basis, day after day, month after month, year after year, for the past 11 and a half years. That's a long time, and I can tell you it has been the best decision we have ever made. I cannot think of an easier way to get more fruits and vegetables going through my body with the orchard or the garden blend, the orchard blend, and the vineyard blend. We are getting over 30 fruits, vegetables, and berries going through our bodies, nourishing every cell, every organ. Our entire bodies are being nourished just by these little capsules. And I cannot tell you how wonderful it feels as a mom knowing that our kids, who are both in college now, are getting the nutrition from all of this fruits and vegetables while they're in college. Because I don't know if you know this, but college students don't eat too good, and their moms and dads aren't there to make sure that they do. But at least I know I have that peace of mind knowing that at least my kids are getting their fruits and veggies in. It's a good feeling. And I just want to share with you how simple it is to take your Juice Plus. We actually have these little pop-top lids that you can just pop it open, just like that. And you're going to take a couple capsules. Your maybe first 3 or 4 days, just take one capsule from each bottle. And the reason for that is because your body has probably never had this much nutrition going through it at all at one time. So what you're going to do is you're going to gradually work these into your system. So if you take one from each bottle, and it doesn't matter when you take them because it's just food. So just keep that in mind. The main thing to remember is you need to drink plenty of water with them because all the fruits and vegetables that are in here, the water has been removed along with the salt and the calories and the water. The water, salt, and calories have all been removed. And so all you're left with are these concentrated powders that need to be rehydrated. And what the water does too is it actually helps bring the live enzymes back to life too. The live enzymes in Juice Plus, it's kind of like yeast, the concept with yeast. When you add water to yeast, all that yeast comes back to life, right? Well, that's the same thing with the live enzymes that are in the Juice Plus capsules. So keep that in mind. You want to drink a whole glass of water every time you take your capsules. Take one a day from each bottle for the first maybe 3 days. Then after that, take 2 from each bottle. That's the recommended amount, is 2 from each bottle, and with plenty of water every time. And then if you're around someone who's sick, or say you're stressed out or you're feeling run down, just know you can take extra Juice Plus. You can take a few extra capsules and it'll kind of give your body that extra edge. I know for us, when we're around someone that's sick, our whole family knows, oh, we need to double up on our Juice Plus. If we feel like we're getting sick ourselves, you can kind of feel that scratchy throat coming on or a little bit of a runny nose or something, we actually triple up on our Juice Plus. We'll take 3 times the amount we normally do. We'll take 6 from each bottle. And just know it's just food. So whatever you don't use, it'll just go out in the toilet anyways. And just know that it's got a food label. See where it says nutrition facts? I think that's really important because most vitamin supplements, they say supplement facts. Ours says nutrition facts. And that's because all you're getting is food that just happens to be in a capsule so that it's easy to swallow and get into your body. That's the only reason why it's in the capsule. So I just hope you enjoy your Juice Plus. I know you're going to love the benefits from it. Everyone experiences different benefits, and I can't wait to hear what the benefits are that you're experiencing. And just keep in mind that once you get this going through your body, just remember to do it every single day. Just if you can get into the habit of doing it every day, and if you miss a day, that's okay. Just make sure you get back on track that next day, because every single day that you have this going through your body, every day you're nourishing your entire body. You are protecting your body from getting so many, not just illnesses, colds, flus, things like that, but also from like big stuff like heart disease, cancer, dementia. You're preventing so many different things just by eating the right foods. And that's where the Juice Plus comes in. Makes it easy for us to get all that nutrition. And yeah, so anyways, I just wanted to share with you how simple it is to take your Juice Plus. Also so that you know it doesn't matter what time of day you take it, because it is just food. But if you take it before you eat, the live enzymes that are in here will actually help you digest your food better. So that's something to consider. And but the main thing is you just want it in your body, regardless when you take it. Some people take it all at one time. They take all 6 capsules all at one time, and that's fine too if you'd like to do that. Me personally, I know how good Juice Plus is for me, so I don't forget my Juice Plus. So I don't need to take them all at one time. I like to actually spread mine out throughout the day. I actually take the fruit in the morning. That's my favorite time to take it because I usually have a smoothie or some fruit with breakfast. So that makes sense just to have some more fruit with that. For lunchtime, I take the berries. Now, if I'm going to be gone for the day or something, I will take these 2 together, the fruit and the vegetables, or the fruit and the berries together. And then in the evening, right before I cook dinner, I take my capsules of the Garden Blend. And then I enjoy the benefits of the vegetables that are in the Garden Blend along with my dinner, because at dinner time, that's usually when I have my vegetables. So that's how I do it. But all the research that has been done, and so far we have at least 31 published studies on Juice Plus about what it does in your body. So all the research has been done with everyone taking all the capsules together at one time. And the reason for that, the only reason for that, was for compliancy. They just wanted to make sure that everyone is taking the same amount on a daily basis and not forgetting one capsule or another. So that was the reason for that. But just so you know, like I said, it's just food. It does not matter when you take it. And if your doctor says he wants you to stop taking all supplements because they're doing a procedure or something like that, you know, ask him if you're able to still eat fruits and vegetables. And if he says yes, then you can continue taking your Juice Plus, because it's not really a supplement. It's really just food. So just so that you know that. I hope you have a blessed day, and I so look forward to hearing all the exciting benefits that you're going to feel after you've consumed all those fruits and vegetables on a daily basis.